Hello chefs, welcome back to Closkitchen. Today I'm going to show you how I make my cornmeal porridge. So let's see what ingredients we'll need for this porridge. I have some silk almond milk, some vanilla extract, some ground nutmeg, some cinnamon powder, and some fine yellow cornmeal. I have measured half a cup of the fine oatmeal and I'm going to empty it into a bowl. I'm mixing in 1 cup of lukewarm water, half a cup at a time. Mixing the two ingredients together to form a thick, smooth liquid with no lumps. And I'm going to set it aside. Bring 3 cups of water to a boil on medium heat. Add 1/3 teaspoon of nutmeg, add 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, Once I'm through adding my spices, I'm going to cover my pot to bring those spices to a boil. I'm giving my cornmeal mixture a quick stir since the cornmeal has settled at the bottom of the bowl. After bringing my spices to a boil, I'm adding my cornmeal mixture slowly into the water whilst I'm stirring it. I'm stirring my ingredients a couple of times to prevent the cornmeal from forming lumps in my porridge. I'm allowing it to cook for about 20 minutes while stirring it occasionally. Once my porridge starts to thicken, I'm going to reduce my heat. Now that my cornmeal porridge has a smooth and thick consistency, exactly how I want it, I'm going to add 1 cup of my almond milk. At this time, I'm using my spatula to mix in the milk with my cornmeal porridge. I'm adding some flavor to my porridge with 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Then I'm going to use my spatula to mix it into the porridge. For my next ingredient, I'm using 3 teaspoons of granulated sugar. Most Caribbean people use sweet condensed milk instead of the sugar, but I chose to put sugar in mine. I make sure to stir my porridge occasionally. My porridge is done and ready to serve. I'm pouring mine into a bowl, and I like some extra milk, so I'm going to add a little bit of my almond milk. I grew up drinking a lot of porridge for breakfast, and so did a lot of Caribbean babies. This recipe is perfect for a cold winter day. So guys, I'm going to go and enjoy my bowl of cornmeal porridge. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. And as always, keep cooking, chefs. Bye.